toxins, you gotta get them out of the home and support your liver in that aspect. So I'm only gonna mention 4 ingredients. Yes, 4 ingredients. There is a longer list. There are other resources. You can always just contact us too, and we'll send you specifically to those resources. One of them is parabens. So parabens they're a class of highly controversial preservatives because in 1996, a study biopsied 20 breast cancer tumors and found parabens present in the tissue of each of those tumors. So that's not cool, right? Parabens are not okay. And what are they usually found in? They're found in our cosmetics, our bath products, our body products, so shampoo and conditioners. So parabens is one thing you want to look at. Another word that's huge and most likely in everything is fragrance, the word fragrance. So I use our awesome dish soap because it's synthetic perfume free or fragrance free. And the word fragrance can hide anything because it's considered to be the company's proprietary blend. So there's even some green products, green cleaners out there that are just, they still have the word fragrance on it. So it's not, you're paying more for something that's really not truly green. That's not okay to me. So basically you can think of it like 100 or more or 1,000 or more ingredients that the company doesn't have to tell you what's in it. So, and you also want to make sure like your laundry soap is another thing, because your laundry soap, when you're washing your laundry, when your laundry is getting hung up or folded, and when you're wearing your clothes, you're getting affected by your laundry soap. So look at those ingredients as well, okay? It says free from SLS, dyes, petrochemicals, formaldehyde, phosphates, synthetic perfume, and optical brighteners. One of the ones that they mention is SLS, which is sodium lauryl sulfate. And many of you probably have heard that before, but it is a endocrine disruptor. It's also a part of engine oil, so it's a byproduct of that, and it's just not okay. And but it's in our like shampoos and conditioners and items like that, and bath products. So talc. The last one I'm going to mention is talc. And again, there is a longer list. Talc is not great. It is a part of a clay material when crushed into powder and is known as talcum powder. But it has been linked to ovarian cancer. So what is it kind of found in? Makeup. It's found in makeup. Oh, this is one of the eye palettes. It's usually actually in powder makeup, so foundation's not in eyeshadow, but this is the thing I grabbed. So our makeup is free from talc, it's free from parabens, it's free from bismuth, it's free from all these products. And talc is not cool. So stop using it. Look at your mineral makeups because it might still have talc in it, even though it's a mineral makeup. Because again, it's from clay, but it's not a good thing to have. Not all minerals are good.